What's up, bros? Now today I'm gonna be showing you bros how to turn your 501st Phase 2 Clone Troopers into 501st Stormtroopers, also known as Vader's Fist. Now basically all you need is some 501st Clone Troopers, as you can see here, and some Stormtroopers, and weapons like some blasters and some other accessories like some blue arms and hands and some blue stickers that you can get from the 501st Battle Pack. Now what we're going to do here is we're going to take our 501st Phase 2 Clone Trooper. It's going to be a Stormtrooper in a second. We're going to take the helmets off. We're going to take our Stormtrooper. Now this Stormtrooper is from the Stormtrooper Battle Pack from Star Wars Rebels. Now a lot of people dislike these Stormtroopers, I think, because they have some light blue on the side. I don't know. I like these. These are the only Stormtroopers I have, but if you bros have any types of Stormtroopers, you can definitely use them to make some 501st Stormtroopers. So all we need is the helmet, so we're going to put this bad boy to the side. We're going to attach the helmets onto the 501st Clone Trooper, and boom, we have a 501st Stormtrooper. Pretty easy, honestly, but there are many ways that you can customize this minifigure, because as you can see here, this minifigure lacks some blue parts, so I'm going to show you bros some ways that you can change that. Now, the first version is a pretty civilized version, and possibly my favorite. We're just gonna pop off the arms of our 501st Clone Trooper torso, and we're going to replace them with some blue ones. This is a no-brainer. Like, this is the best way to customize your 501st Clone Troopers and these 501st Stormtroopers you have right here. Now, doesn't that look so much better? Yeah, this looks so much better, and you can attach a blaster, and you can call it a day. But there's more ways. Now let's get onto the second way. We're going to take our 501st Clone Trooper, attach a Stormtrooper helmet, and what we're going to do here is we're going to replace the hands. Now, these have black hands, these minifigures, so we're going to replace them with some blue hands, just for fun. That looks pretty dope in my opinion. Pretty cool if you ask me. Now for the third and last customization I'm going to be showing you bros in this video is going to be the sticker method, which I created, which is basically taking these used stickers from Lego sets and basically pretending it's decals and putting them onto your minifigures to customize them. They're easy to remove, so it's pretty cool. So we're going to be taking some of these blue parts and sticking it onto the helmet. I'm going to be removing them after this video, but it's still cool, so we're going to be choosing which one we're going to be using. I'm personally going to go with this one right here. And I don't think these 501st Stormtroopers from Vader's Fist are canon to Star Wars. I think they're in like the Legends section of Star Wars, which isn't canon. I really like Legends, honestly. Now, basically, on YouTube, I saw a video a while back. Basically, Vader and his 501st Stormtroopers, aka Vader's Fist, were on Kashyyyk, as Vader was ordered by the Senate himself, Palpatine, or Darth Sidious, and he was gonna go kill this Jedi and the Jedi's child, which is basically Galen Merrick, or more commonly known Star Killer. That was where Vader met him and chose him to be his secret apprentice, and there was a video like that. I think it was based off of a video game, and all the troops, like most of the troops in that video that were on Kashyyyk with Darth Vader, I think most of them were Stormtroopers in blue, which is basically Vader's Fist or 501st Stormtroopers, so that's where I got this video idea. Alright, that works. I'm just gonna put it like that right there, and I'm gonna have to cut off a piece. Alright, and let's rearrange it. Boom, we have our customized 501st Stormtrooper, a member of Vader's Fist. Now the sticker method is probably the worst method in this video, but it adds a bit of life to the Stormtrooper, and it's cheaper than buying decals. All you have to do is collect your old stickers, as you can see here. I have a full video showing you bros how to do the sticker method, but it's already in this video, so you don't have to watch that one. And yeah, just a quick side note, that other piece of the sticker that I cut off right here, as you can see here, I'm gonna add that to the side of this minifigure. That looks pretty good. The sticker part's coming off though. You just gotta push it in, and yeah, it looks pretty dope, not gonna lie. So yeah, don't throw away your Lego stickers. Check out my other videos and be sure to have a great day. If this video does well, then I'll make more Lego Star Wars videos, so be sure to check those out as well in the future. Have a great day. See ya, bros, and may the Force be with you.